It's very important for you to journal while you are there. Now, I don't care if you do it on your phone, I don't care if you do it in a computer, I don't care if you do it with a handwritten notebook. But you need to be writing while you're there. Because if you don't, you will not have the freshness of the experience. You need to get the sensuality of the place. That is the goal of every travel writer, is to get a sense of place. And you do that by capturing the sounds, the smells, you know, what you see, and doing it while or closely after you've done it. I mean, in my case, I do river rafting and such, so I can't do it exactly while I'm doing it, but after dinner or whatever, I go to my tent and I make notes. Because if I don't, uh, you just don't have the detail to bring your stories alive. And I am flattered to know, and many people say it, that I really do take them to the places that I journey to. So, and there, a lot of them are armchair travelers, and they really appreciate the details, and that's what you need to be focusing on if you want to be a good travel writer.